Okay, good morning, class. So, our topic for today is about partnership. So, let's discuss first what's the meaning of partnership. No? So, according to Article 1767, by the contract of partnership, two or more persons bind themselves to contribute money, property, or industry to a common fund with the intention of dividing the profits among themselves. So, ibig sabihin, partnership is a form by two or more person. Di ba? Kaya nga tinawag natin na partnership. So, mahirap namang maging partner mo is sarili mo, di ba? So, hindi na yung partner. Hindi yun matawag or masasabing partnership. Okay? So, the goal or the aim is to contribute their money, properties, or labor with the purpose to share profits. So, it could be, no, maybe through verbal or written agreement, no? And that is also governed by the civil code or applicable laws. Okay, so what are the elements, no? Sabi rito, one is intention to form a contract of partnership. Next is participation in both profits and losses. Next is community of interest. Okay. So ibig sabihin, intention to form a contract of partnership means that both parties must agree or intend to create a partnership. It's not just about working together. Dapat there should be a clear understanding that they are forming a partnership or a legal business relationship. The next is the participation in both parties and losses. So meaning all partners should share the earnings of the business and also carry the burden of losses. No? So this shows that there equal responsibility, that there should be an equal responsibilities that involved in the partnership. Then the next one is the community of interest. So which means that the partners must have a common goal or purpose. No? So usually to run a business and earn profits. Right? So it means that they work together and they are interdependent in achieving their business success. So here are the basic features of partnership. So number one is the mutual contribution, which means that the partnership is formed through a mutual agreement, no, or voluntary agreement, no, which can be oral or written. So no one can be forced into a partnership. No? So hindi mo siya po pwedeng pilitin na let's say sa kaibigan mo, 'di ba, na